The first generation of Toyota Caldina 1992 to 1997 was distinguished by a successful combination of spaciousness, comfort, and dynamics typical of purebred Japanese women from moderate money. The European analog of the Carina East station wagon, most parts, including body parts, were interchangeable. Second-generation cars are very similar to the European Avensis station wagon. The third generation of Caldina is the original model, although again based on the Avensis. The machine is 200 kilograms lighter, 190 millimeters shorter. There is also an all-wheel drive, with a 2-liter engine, version with the 260 horsepower engine, but the base and track are the same as those of the Avensis. Gearboxes are automatic only. The salon is well recognizable due to its extraordinary shapes and numerous metal-like inserts. It's roomy inside, both front and rear. The seats, unlike many right-hand drive compatriots, are designed for normal European growth. Front seats with moderate lateral support and rigidity. Ride quality is a compromise between comfort and handling. Good dynamics and at the same time stability especially distinguish the all-wheel drive version. Toyota Caldina, 2003 model year release for Japan. There is no European equivalent. In 2005, the front bumper and radiator grille were retouched. When choosing a Caldina, pay attention to the equipment. The 1.8-liter engine is installed only on front-wheel drive cars. In the Plus, efficiency, reliability, and dynamics, 12s to 100 km/h. A 2-liter engine, 155 horsepower, is installed both on front and all-wheel drive cars. Rear wheels will be connected automatically when the front wheels slip. This version is a good compromise between dynamics, fuel consumption, price, and reliability. The most powerful version is only all-wheel drive. A turbo with an intercooler adds over 100 horsepower, but the risk of buying a car with a well-worn engine and transmission is high. If scheduled maintenance, Caldina, does not cause problems, then body repairs will take not only money, but also time. Almost everything will have to be ordered in Japan and wait up to 3 months.